Welcome to Wes Quick Tips and Trick cooking channel, my cooking channel. And today I'm going to show you all how to make aloo veg. So this is like aloo. These leaves are seasonal, and how to make it I will show you all now. So in English it is pronounced as Colocasia. This leaves, and in Konkani we call it alu, not potato, alu, A-L-U. Another word is taro leaves. So now I have around, so my neighbor gave for me today. They have this planted in their garden. So it is organic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 leaves, and let's make a nice veg out of it. Oh, it is also called in Konkani dabdabit. So for that what we need is 10 leaves of this alu, taro or leaves or Colocasia leaves, and we need 1 cup of this is wasane. We call it in Goa wasane, but it is also known like black-eyed beans, but this is Goan, so that's why this is wasane. So I've taken 1 cup, soaked it for a few hours. Then what we need next is 2 tomatoes, 1 chili. So this recipe is like for the Shivrak people, so no onion and no garlic, okay, will be added for this. Then we need half coconut grated, 2 Kashmiri red chili, and we will be adding our Goan shakuti masala powder for this. So I will be taking around 2 tablespoon of this shakuti masala. It is called Basco Masala also. Okay, so if you want to learn, then please comment, and there is loads of recipes of how to make in quantity also, and in a smaller quantity also on my cooking channel. Then we will be adding some hing. Then we need some kokum solla, okay, bindichi solla, and I have taken 1 ball of tamarind, that is amsan, in this vati with water. Okay, so now let's fry this coconut. Then we will add our masala to this and grind it along with. So let's clean this. Now if it is very not tender, then you have to apply oil and all for your hands and then do, because you get itching. So first thing you have to cut this like this, and then you will get, they are tender but still you can remove like this all, or you can grate it with this scraper to remove the outer skin. So like this all you do. I'll show you the bigger one. Take it aside. So you can either this also you can do, but better is like this, like how you clean the French bean, that way, but it has to be tender. You have to remove this. This step is very important for this bhaji, otherwise you'll get itching for your throat. So here all our leaves and so much of waste. So now let's put all this together in this, and then we will roll this, and then we will chop this however you want to chop that, but let it be finely chopped. And then we will wash it again nicely. I've already washed this, but again we will wash this. So then here it goes. So finely chopped. Then we will cook this in pressure cooker, because we have to cook our black eye beans. That is our wasane. तर एका आतां आमी अशें शिनून घेवया आनी मागीर एका आमी कुकरान शिजोवया, कित्याक आमकां आमचें वसाणें शिजोवंक जाय. सो एका तामोटान बरे भशेन शिजोवन घेवया. हांवें हितून कांदो आनी लसूण घालूंक ना. In cooker, wash this nicely, and then cook along with our wasanes. So we'll add our wasane. And our tomatoes. Add water. Around like 1 whole cup. And we'll add few bindi swala now. For this, add salt. Add salt and give a sitti around like 4 to 5 sitti, so that this is nicely cooked. So let's add our shakuti masala, that is Basco Masala we call. So as I said, 2 tablespoons. 2 चमचो भास्को मसालो आणि तितून आमी हळदीचो पिठो घालया. So 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and we'll add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Let's grind this to a fine paste along with tamarind. So only we'll add all this and grind, and this we can add later. This we will add also later. So for the newcomers who are not used to this cleaning and all, please apply oil for your hands. otherwise it will be itching. Or I wear gloves. So here it is ready, our masala. And this is also cooked. So let the steam goes, then I will open this. Let's add some oil, vegetable oil, cooking oil. So around 2 tablespoons of oil. We'll add our curry leaves in this. Two curry leaves is needed. Add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and teaspoon of mustard seeds and our green chilies. Let it get split nicely. Okay, now we can add our masala. Hit the gas stove, and in this little bit of hing powder, half teaspoon. So hing masala, and then we'll add our tamarind water to this and fry. It doesn't get burned. We'll add 1 teaspoon of sugar, or you can add jaggery, it's up to you. At this point we will add our cooked, I will show you all also. So here are pulses, that is red eye beans or black eyed beans, you can say. We say wasane for this. It is nicely cooked along with the veg and the tomatoes and the coca. So now we'll add this directly to our this. And we'll cover this and cook all this for around 20 minutes. It's already cooked, but let the flavors go inside this. Now is the time where you want to add water. So whatever is there for the mixer, you can add that. Check the salt and add the tamarind water also to this. Our remaining kokum. And now we will add our water which is there for the mixer. Add the remaining water which was there for the mixer. So it was there for this. That only I have added. Check the salt. Add 1 teaspoon sugar if you are wanting to add, or you can add jaggery. Now we'll cook this on medium flame. Okay. So we'll cover this and cook this for, as I have said, 20 minutes on medium flame. And here are Colocasia's leaves. Vegetable is ready. AluchiBhaji, that is aluche धबधबीत तयार आसा. तेऱ्याचे धबधबीत तयार आसा. So hope you all will enjoy this and make it and relish it with some chapatis or some rice. And best part is for those who are doing shorag this season, for them no onion and no garlic. Try this recipe and make it. So ही जावन आसा आमची तेऱ्याची भाजी तयार जावन आसा. ताका आमी तोणाकी म्हणूं येता, धबधबे म्हणूं येता. आनी करून खायात बरे भाशेन. एन्जॉय करात, गार्निश करात. तितून इल्ले कोरियंडर लिव्स आनी इल्ले पुदिना लिव्स पण घालूं येता फॉर अ फ्लेवर. and make it in your kitchen. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. Try and make this our Goan delicacy once again. That is AluchiBhaji or aluche धबधबीत or aluche तोणाक पण म्हणूं येता, which is Colocasia in English. And Tara again word is in Konkani, teryachi bhaji. Try and make it very healthy, and it is seasonal. After season it will be little bit, it won't be a tender. It will be available but it won't be a tender. So enjoy this. Thank you so much. Again, Goan delicacy with you all. I am sharing this recipe, Goan Alu Bhaji recipe, Goan teryachi bhaji. Try korat and enjoy korat या सिजनाक. ही आतांच आसा आनी दोन्ही आसा तेन्ना करपाक बरी. So when it is raw, when it is tender, it's always good to make this veg, and it is seasonal. Thank you so much. Hope you all will enjoy this veg curry. Thank you.